morning everybody, welcome to another weekly vlog. Today I am back at university in Leeds. It is the second half term of my art foundation course and I'm not totally dreading it. I came back to Leeds last night. Coming back is never the easiest thing. I didn't find it that easy, but I didn't get upset. Pretty proud of myself. And yeah, I've actually set up a TV in my room. This is the newest addition, please ignore the mess. And I think it's been a very good shout because when I woke up this morning I just stuck BBC News on. It was like being at home. It's actually really good. So the second part of the foundation course starts today. So the first 6 weeks were like a kind of introduction period, and now the actual course that we've picked starts. So I've picked Magpie, and that stands for Moving Image, Advertising, Graphic Design, Photography and Illustration, which if you know anything about me, that is going to be a lot more up my street, if anything is. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that from today the course improves. I'm trying to be very positive about it. If you watch the last couple of weekly vlogs, you'll know that I haven't loved my time in Leeds so far that much, but I'm hoping today is really good. I need to get going. Just gonna wash up my pots really quickly and then head down and walk to uni. It's also bonfire night tonight, so I'm going to a bonfire in Roundhay Park in Leeds. I actually don't know where that is, but apparently there's a big bonfire there, so yeah, that is the plan. I haven't updated you guys all day and I'm now wearing a hat, which is not a look, but I'm actually going to bonfire night. I'm gonna take this off. I don't really need to be wearing that just yet, but I've put a top under this top because it is so cold, and it's always freezing in Leeds anyway because it's like high up, but like it's really cold tonight. And we are going to go to the bonfire at Hyde Park, or like Woodhouse Moor. I don't really know why it's got two names. I've heard a lot of people say don't go to that one, it's dodgy, but it's the nearest one to me and it's free and it's a student one, so I'm thinking it might be okay, but I'm hoping that we don't get stabbed basically. So I'm putting this hat on because it's very cold. It is actually a bobble hat, bobble hats don't really suit me, as you can see. So yeah, I'm also here with Edwina, who's just come out of the toilet, and Eleanor and Ailey, and then George, my flatmate, is coming too. Basically there's like a group of us going, and we're gonna leave now I think, aren't we? I need to put my scarf and hat on though. Wow, I love looking like a 6-year-old boy, or gnome, not too sure which, but both. We're at Hyde Park now. I'm with Ailey. You haven't been on my channel, have you?
No.
Do you want to be in the vlog?
Hello.
This is Ailey.
Hi.
You can't actually see us, which is probably for the best because I look like an egg and Ailey said she looks like a moon, but she actually doesn't. And we're here basically, and I thought I'd vlog right now just in case we do get stabbed and it's out of focus. It's not even a good clip. It's just not really how I want to go.
It's cool that it likes it. I didn't know it did that.
It doesn't really, does it?
Like it's white now. We're just like, wow.
You can kind of see. Once we're in the bonfire, I'll film some like better stuff, obviously.
Oh, there's so many people.
I'm quite excited. Yeah, there's so many people, but I can't see any of them.
It's just figures.
Why is there no street lights?
It smells like salt and vinegar.
Yeah. Guys, this is literally the biggest fire I've ever seen in my life. This puts Beverley Westwood to shame. Literally, look at that. Like, what the hell? Look how intense it looks on my camera. Oh my god. Well, look how we're all facing that way, but what if we're over there?
Oh, we're over
They're taking the mick out of me because I'm going, wow. Wow. These ones are not planned. Somebody's just set them off on the floor. I thought I was going to die then. That was horrible. Why are people clapping? Why are people clapping?
Molly's going on a ride.
Honestly, I thought I was going to be sick. Could you see my face? I was like... Good morning, it is now Tuesday and I have just got dressed and I actually really like this outfit. These trousers are from Pretty Little Thing and the top is from New Look, both of which featured in my hauls recently. I'm obsessed with these trousers. I think they look really cool and very art school vibe. Today I'm actually going to the gym straight from school, so I've got a gym bag down here and then I also have my actual bag, my phone and stuff, and I kind of need to go, but I do just want to tell you about the weirdest dream I had last night. So basically, this is a bit irrelevant, but I've been watching a lot of like mystery YouTubers recently, so I've been watching Georgia Marie and Eleanor Neal like quite a lot. Last night I went to sleep with one of Eleanor's videos on, and I think that's why I had this dream. Basically I dreamt that I was like wrongly convicted for this murder and I was like being chased by the police even though I didn't do it, and I like hid in my own house and stuff, and then I think hiding in my own house video came into the dream a bit because I had to like find a hiding place in my house and stuff, and I hid under my mum and dad's bed, and then I was like, oh never mind, the police won't find me, I'll just go to a club. So I went to a nightclub, I don't even know why, and then the police like found me and stuff and I was arrested and I didn't even know the person that they said I'd killed, but it was like such an intense dream. Like I fully thought it happened. When I woke up I was like, what? It was so like one of those moments. But anyway, I'm gonna go to uni now. That was an irrelevant story, but I hope you enjoyed my update. So we found a piano in the middle of the Cross Arcade. I just got Eleanor to sit at it to take some photos. She claims she can't play it, but everybody can play that one song. Do you not do like music in year 7 to year 9? But it's like drilled into you. I used to be able to play Someone Like You by Adele. Eleanor's making me fall, mate. I don't think you'll even be able to hear.
Hang on. Sorry.
Oh no, did it wrong? We've had such a busy morning, afternoon, to be fair. It's now 2 PM, we're just getting some lunch. We're in a little cafe that's really cute. It's called Jesus, what is it called? Tavasoli or something like that. Basically, it's on the Hedgerow in Leeds. And we are just getting some food because for our project, I think I told you we're doing like a magazine thing, and Eleanor's section of it is food and mine is fashion. So this morning I took a load of fashion photography. Then we headed back to uni and now we're coming to get some lunch to take pictures of that for the food section, and then we're gonna head back to uni again to like look at the photos and just like write our research down and stuff. And then we're actually also going to the gym, even though we've already walked about 10,000 steps, I reckon. We've walked back and forth through Leeds all day, but I made the mistake this morning of having a coffee, 8,500 steps. Okay, I had a coffee that wasn't decaf and I hadn't really eaten anything, and then I haven't eaten anything since, so I've been really like jittery because I never have caffeinated coffee, so my body was a bit like, what are you doing? So we've just come to get some lunch now. It's like 2 PM though, so it's quite a late lunch, but I recommend this cafe. It's so cute, look at it.
Student discount too?
Yeah, they do student discount. There's nobody else in here at the moment, but it's very cute. Now back at my flat. I have been for about an hour and a half. I've just been doing some work. I had like a lot of emails to do, and then I also have been editing photos because, as you guys saw, we did a lot of photography today. Like me and Eleanor spent basically, we're in Leeds city centre from 9 till 5 taking photos, and then I also did go and get my eyebrows done, which I'm very, very happy with. I got them done by a lovely girl at Benefit in Debenhams in Leeds, so yeah, thank you so much to the girl that did them. She's done such a good job. Like sometimes they do them too dark, but I absolutely love these. They're not too dark, they're not too thick. I'm in love. So yeah, I've been here for an hour and a half just typing. I had the news on, very educational on my new TV, and I'm really happy with some of the photos that I took. Like I think they turned out really, really good. So yeah, if I do say so myself. And now that I've just finished up editing them, I've put them all on my photography Instagram account, which I will actually leave linked below. You guys can follow it if you're interested in photography, but please don't follow it as like a account related to Beauty Spectrum. It's not related to my YouTube channel. It's not related to my personal life at all. Like it's literally just my photography. So yeah, only follow it if you're interested. But now I'm gonna head to Eleanor's flat, and I think maybe me and her flatmates are all gonna watch a Christmas film. And I'm also gonna take my tea over. I've got like a lasagna that I need to heat up, and I'm gonna eat it at her house. I'm actually really not that hungry. Ever since I had the coffee earlier, I just haven't felt very well, but I feel like I need to eat. Like I don't feel sick really, I just don't feel 100%. So yeah, I'm gonna walk to hers now. It's 6:30. It's getting dark so early now, which I actually don't really like, especially because I'm in uni 9 till 5, so I'm like not seeing daylight, which isn't great. Although today I've been outside all day, so yeah, I've done 13,000 steps. I was going to go to the gym, but we decided against it, so I'm going to do that tomorrow. But now I'm going to go to Eleanor's. So I'm at Eleanor's with no makeup on at all, and oh, your calendar just fell off the wall. Oh, fair. And we were just watching Canon JC on YouTube, who I haven't watched for years, but Eleanor really likes them. And they were throwing darts into a map. So I said, why don't we do that, but just with the UK, obviously, and see somewhere that we could potentially go, even though we won't end up doing this, just for the balance. And no, but the thing is, I know the map of the UK, so if I shut my eyes, I'll know roughly where the places are.
You will.
Okay.
You won't know exactly where, because if you don't touch anything, then you can't guess.
Okay. So yeah, we're just gonna see. We might end up going to this place, we might not, who knows. We just printed a map of England out. Spontaneous. Why don't we take it off here?
Well, I didn't want to put it
on the bed.
there.
Just, you can like spin it round and stuff.
Yeah, okay.
So I'll shut my eyes. In fact, and then when you're done spinning it, put the piece of paper in my hand.
But you might not like...
I work. Right, okay.
This is going to be funny. Yeah, that's not happening though, is it?
No, that's not happening. It's spinning again. Why did you
We got her.
Ireland? We're not going to Ireland.
Love that.
Okay. Is this over the UK?
No.
Is this over the UK?
No.
Is this over the UK? It's all the UK, innit? Is this over the mainland?
That's not near it.
Is it? Right, okay. Is this over the mainland?
Yep. Wait.
Northampton. Shall we go Northampton?
What's in Northampton?
Not much, I don't think. In between Northampton and Peterborough. Shall we Google map where's actually right there?
Yeah.
So we're having spin number 2. Okay, keep your eyes closed. Alright, there you go. It is over the UK. I mean, you put it right in the water.
Got a boat.
So we're going for a swim. This is a really attractive angle, but I think we're all past the point of caring. Let's be honest, you've seen somebody look worse, I'm sure. You've seen me look worse. I'm now in bed and it is 11:30. I've been on the phone to Tom for about 40 minutes. It's actually been really nice to just catch up with him. It has like, obviously for those of you that don't know, Tom is my boyfriend and he is back at home and he's working full time. So it's really like rare that we get a chance to properly talk during the week over the phone because like I'm so busy during the day and he's so busy during the day, and then on a night he goes to bed quite early because he starts work at 7 every single day. So yeah, I just spoke to him on the phone, which was really nice. Now I'm going to watch Gossip Girl for like 40 minutes and then go to sleep. So I'll pick you up tomorrow. Going to the gym in the morning, so. Good morning guys, it is now Wednesday and I have a free day today. I'm not in university at all, so I'm going to the gym, hence why I'm dressed like this, but I'm not going to the gym for a little while. I've had such a lazy morning. It's 10:30, woke up at 9. I've just been watching YouTube and Gossip Girl ever since. However, I thought I would update you on the ukulele playing, because I actually love this part of the vlog because like I feel like I'm actually getting better at it. Even my friend yesterday was like, I want to hear you play the ukulele now, Molly, like I've seen it in your videos. So I think I'm actually going to do that. Like Eleanor, who I was with in the vlog yesterday, she plays guitar, so I'm going to show you how it's going. I have just been practicing and making sure that I can still do it because I haven't played in a while because I've had such a busy week. So yeah, I'm going to carry on with the lesson section and then I am going to see if I can play a song. So for those of you that maybe don't know, I'm actually working with an amazing app called Musician, and I am doing over the next couple of weeks. So that app looks just like this. Oh, you can see the reflection out of my window. There you go. And basically it is helping me learn from being a very beginner, like complete amateur, to being able to play the ukulele. And there is a download link to this app in the description of this video. I really recommend checking it out if you want to learn a new instrument. So let's pick up where we left off last week. Right, so I've got my ukulele. I'm sitting in a bit of a weird angle. It's really hard to show you how I'm playing this. Like the camera is always a bit too close to me. There we go. So the next thing I'm gonna do is, I think, where am I up to? Okay, continue learning. So I've unlocked level 1, I've unlocked level 2, I've completed the chord section, although I did just have to go over them all because, not gonna lie, I still get a bit muddled when I move my like fingers around quite quickly, so I have to slow it down because I'm just really not used to playing a string instrument. So let's see, guided lesson. So you can pick like how long you want to learn for. I just clicked a 10-minute option. Okay, so this is a warm-up, so we're just gonna skip the warm-up because I did just do my own warm-up. Learning some new tasks. Okay, I would like to play the rhythm today. Changing chords. Okay, let's try that. I love the video tutorials. Okay, I think I know this. I might just go in to see if I can like play a tune. So I'm gonna pick a song that I kind of know, but I don't want to know it too well, because I always used to find when I played the flute, if I knew the piece of music too well, I would actually play the music wrong, because I thought I knew how it went without like reading each beat, each bar, all of that kind of jazz. So I'm gonna pick a song I sort of know. They've got loads of chart music on here as well, which is really cool. See if you guys can work out what this is. Okay, I'm actually so pleasantly surprised at how many different songs they have. So they've got this whole option to pick between music that you might know, maybe music that you don't, all of this kind of thing. There's so many options, it's actually amazing. So I'm going to give another one of those a go in a minute, but I'm going to click the next level. So basically, I need to unlock level 3, but I can't do it until I've played this melody at the right speed. And last week I was doing it, but I was playing it at 90%, not 100%, because it was easier when it was slowed down. Wait, mate, I wasn't holding the ukulele. Start again. Yeah, that was still a little bit too fast, I'm not gonna lie. There is definitely some more practice to be had on that melody. I really want to upgrade to level 3, I'm not gonna lie. I feel a bit behind, but yeah, basically that is where I'm going to leave this section of the vlog for today. If you guys want to check out the app Musician, who I'm super grateful to be working with, I actually think that this is just a cool collaboration. I love learning new things. So thank you so much for working with me as always, and I will be back next week with a ukulele update. And right now I am going to go to the gym, but first I need to do my washing up. How good does this look? This is like, if Instagram was a cafe, it is this one. Like, what the hell? Guys, I can actually confirm that this was as good as it looked. It was actually some of the nicest pasta I've had in such a long time. So yeah, I really like this cafe. It's also absolutely chucking it down outside, like pouring down so much. In fact, it's actually got like fully dark since we got in here, and it's only 1 in the afternoon. This is me. So, I'm going out now. It is 20 to 4. I have just done some work. I'll show you actually. I don't really know even if I've caught up with you. What have I said? I've had a shower, I've got out. I'm actually so confused because I'm like filming a video alongside this vlog all on the same memory card, so it's going to be really confusing. But I got back from the gym, I had an amazing lunch, and I now have just been doing some drawing for the last 2 hours. And I actually really like this one. Like, this is the one I've just done. It's meant to look very illustrative. I can't really draw, so I've gone for like a really messy style, and it kind of works. But I'm gonna go to Eleanor's flat now and help her cousin with something. Like, her cousin is also at uni in Leeds, and he's like making a vlog or something. So yeah, I said I'd go run there for a little bit, and then yeah, I'm quite excited to come back and do another drawing now. I've had a video on while I've been doing it. Absolutely obsessed with crime related videos at the moment, thinking maybe I should have studied criminology, because I'm like, oh, I'd be such a good detective. But yeah, I'm gonna head to Eleanor's now. I'm already like 20 minutes late. I told her I was setting off at 10 past. It's 22. That's half an hour, not 20 minutes, oh god. So, me and Eleanor, who is, don't know if you can see her, she's over there. There you go. Are going for drinks, and I had the new Jordan Lipscomb X Beauty Bay palette in front of me, and I thought, I'm gonna do green eyeshadow. In retrospect, I think it might have been a mistake, but it does match my top. I've got this glittery crop top on, which I got from Primark. I think the reason I don't like this is because of my hair. Like, my hair looks very, I don't know, not done. But, right, the actual eyeshadow is insane. Like, the pigment is incredible. Obviously it's green, so it's very, very out there, and I went for like silver eyeliner because I thought, yeah, that'll make my eyes pop, but I think it actually just doesn't. So I'm gonna show you in the mirror. I feel like I look a bit better like when it's more casual. Okay, no, it looks really over the top, but you know what, we're just rolling with it. I go to an art uni, so anything goes, and I don't totally hate it. Like, when my eyes are like this, it's okay, but I do feel like it looks a bit like drag makeup. Like, I feel like this would look great on a drag queen. However, it's done now, so we love experimenting. Also, the eyeliner is from Collection. There we go. Are you laughing at me? Eleanor's trying to put lashes on. How's it going for you?
It's not.
It's not going? Not going. Which lashes did you have? The Eyelure ones?
Yeah.
Yeah. Have you taken them off?
Yeah.
We're down the arches in Leeds, and if you couldn't tell, basically they're like these arches that are like lit up. You can kind of see them, and I've driven past them loads of times before, but I've never walked down here because someone said You nearly tripped up. I didn't know how you got here, and I've always wanted to take pictures down here, but to be honest, my camera's just not loving the lighting, so yeah, I took a few. Like honestly, this camera is picking it up better than my main camera. Sometimes I think this camera is so much better, what the hell?
Changing colours.
Yeah, they are, they're multicoloured.
Selection of backgrounds.
So we went for drinks at a bar called Archie's Bar, and now we are heading back into the centre of town, possibly to go to Wetherspoons, possibly not, just to kind of like see where we want to go for another drink, also to take some photos for our magazine. So, oh, this is a cute thumbnail, wait, stand here. So it's now 12:20. I actually don't know how it got this late. And I'm back, I'm about to go to sleep. I need to take all of this makeup off first though. Eleanor and I actually ended up going to Wetherspoons, and we sat in there for probably about 2.5 hours just having like such a deep chat that we just started saying like, I don't even know how we got into a deep chat, but we did, so it lasted forever. And now I'm just gonna go to bed. I've got uni at 9:30 in the morning, so we didn't have a super late night. Like I got back probably about half an hour ago. I'm just gonna go to sleep. So yeah, I'll pick you up in the morning. I think I've vlogged so much this week already, and I'm seeing Alice tomorrow, Alice Thorpe, and then I'm going to a concert on Friday night, so there's still a lot left to vlog. Sometimes I think I should split these over 2 days and upload on a Saturday and a Sunday. I don't know. What would you guys think about a like Monday to Wednesday vlog on a Saturday and a Thursday, Friday vlog on a Sunday? I feel like it's too much content. Do you like the weekly vlogs being long? Because I feel like this is gonna be about 35 minutes again. I'm sorry. It's fully uni based though, which is what you guys seem to love. Good morning. It is now Thursday. I have a lecture that starts at 9:30. It's not really a lecture, it's more of like a sit down introduction to graphic design and illustration, which neither of them I'm that good at, but I would like to be better at both. Hand drawn illustration is not really my area, but I would love to use Illustrator, like Adobe Illustrator. So yeah, I'm intrigued as to like what they're going to chat about, and then we have a pretty free day after that, but we do kind of like have to be in uni to finish our magazine things. So this is my outfit today: red top, this dress which I absolutely love, this is from Primark, this is from Topshop, and I am gonna get going because I need to leave in 3 minutes and I have to wash the pots. I'm now walking back from uni. I'm almost at my flat actually, not too far, and I've got so much work to do, but it's really free this week, so we're allowed to like leave kind of early because well, not leave early, but like once we've registered in the afternoon we can basically leave anytime. So I'm gonna do the work from my flat because I've done everything I need to at uni. Like I've used all the printing rooms and like all of that stuff this morning, so the rest of it I can do from here. So I decided to come back and just be a bit more like focused in my flat rather than at uni, because it can be quite hard to concentrate. There's so many people and like chats happening and stuff. It has been ages. I didn't film me doing my work. It's now 6 o'clock and I said I was meeting Alice, but she actually had to cancel, so she hasn't come through to Leeds, which I'm so sad about because I was really looking forward to seeing her, but like it just can't be helped really, so she isn't coming now, and I've just had my tea at my flat with my flatmates in the kitchen, and Eleanor's mates are over tonight and they're going to the Christmas lights turn on, and to be honest I'm making them late, so I really need to leave, but we're gonna go and watch the lights switch on in Leeds tonight, which is like a full-on event. And I've also just put a drive with me up on my channel, which I really am happy with how it turned out, so yeah.
Kindle Mat, the German market, is going to be coming to Leeds tomorrow. It's on from tomorrow until Saturday the 22nd of December, which is brilliant. It's going to be on in Millennium Square.
Like to get a flyer to buy the single if you like it, please do. Thank you very much and I hope you enjoy it. 1, 2, 3. Dear Santa, can you hear me?
Mommy shark do 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 do. Mommy shark. What? You all know this song. Mommy shark do 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 do. Daddy's let me in.
Switch the lights on in Leeds yet?
We are allowed to switch the lights on in Leeds.
Are we allowed to start the countdown?
We are allowed to start the countdown. So all together, please. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I I've just got back to my flat. The Christmas lights turn on was actually really good, although it took like an hour and a half to turn the lights on. I didn't realise there was like a full-on concert thing beforehand, and I didn't really dress appropriately to be stood there for ages. To be honest, I thought it would be like how Beverley's lights turn on is, but Beverley is obviously like very small, kind of insignificant. Leeds is like the biggest city in Yorkshire, I think, don't hold me to that, and obviously it was like a massive deal, so it went on for forever. And then there was an amazing firework display, which was actually better than the Bonfire night fireworks you saw at the beginning of this vlog. But I'm very aware this vlog is super long already. Just went for a cheeky drink in Wetherspoons afterwards, and now I've just come back. It is 10:20. I've just popped the kettle on, gonna have a cup of tea and start editing this vlog because Tom is coming over tomorrow night. It's Friday tomorrow. He's coming up after college. He's got college on Fridays. So he's coming up after that to spend Friday night here with me, and then we're going to see Jax Jones as well. So that is tomorrow night, so I won't really have any time to edit, so I'm going to make a start on this with a cup of tea and some murder mysteries on the television, because I am obsessed with mystery videos on YouTube, if you didn't already gather. Okay, I'm in the kitchen, the kettle has boiled, so just gonna make my tea. I don't know why it looks like I've got no food in my cupboards. Like, I don't know where it's gone. I must have eaten it, but I swear I haven't eaten that much this week out my cupboard, so I don't know what's missing. Something has gone out of my cupboard. Don't know what. Got my M mug, my trusty M mug. I don't know who got me this. I think Liv got me this, or maybe Amelia. I've got two very similar. Hi guys, if you're watching. Is this even washed? No. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. Ain't about that 5-star hygiene in this flat. Oops. The water's hot, right? It kills bacteria. Because my washing up is very, very half-hearted. I just run things under the hot tap. But I haven't got food poisoning yet. I've been doing that for 2 months. I've lived here for 2 months today, guys. Can you believe that? You probably think that we're better now. Really don't even think they're the words. Don't know whether to watch more Gossip Girl or crime. I feel like murder mystery videos are not good before you go to bed. But then I've watched 3 episodes of Gossip Girl today. That's not too many, is it? Still only on season 2. Don't know what I'm gonna have for tea tomorrow because I've got no food in. Tea's made. TV's going on. Forgot I put the heating on in here. It's actually really warm. Look who it is. That's your cue to be like, hello. What are you doing? We really need to leave, you know, it's a 20-minute walk from here.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
So, Tom is now here and we are actually going to Jax Jones tonight. So, I presume you guys know Jax Jones, like the DJ. He's playing at the Uni of Leeds Student Union. So, we're going there. Need to remember my ID and my card, actually. But yeah, we just had some pizzas and I got ready. I straightened my hair for the first time this week. I actually left my curlers at home this whole week, so yeah. But yeah, we're gonna head out now. I'm not too sure what Tom's doing. He knows we need to leave, but yeah, we're also meeting his brother and his girlfriend and his mum and dad there, so it's like a full family affair because it is his brother's birthday today. So yeah, this is like his birthday present, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Well, one of them.
One of them.
Sick, get too much.